Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us. This is the New Finish Columbia YouTube channel. Watch this intro. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be reviewing the RYOBI electric pressure washer. It's a 1600 PSI 1.2 gallon machine. You can pick it up at Home Depot, Amazon. You can find the description and the link in the bottom of the video. So inside the box, you're going to find all the parts nicely packaged. The end of the wand, this part, books, filters, fittings, 25-foot pressure washer hose, and the unit itself with the pretty long cord. So as you can see, on the top there's the on-off switch. In the back you have the hose connection. On the front you have the pressure washer hose connection and the very long cord. I'm not even sure how long this is. It comes with a couple different fittings. This one is the high pressure rotating fitting. And I think it comes with, orange fitting and blue fitting for soap, which I'll never use the soap because I have a foam cannon, but in case you don't, you can use that also. So that's all the parts. We're going to put it together and then we'll try it out and see how it works with the new foam cannon. Hey friends, Steve from New Finish Columbia. So I decided that I was going to see what my new pressure washer is doing with my foam cannon. I ordered a new orifice for my foam cannon because my pressure washer is a lot less powerful and it's electric, but my back gets tired holding that big huge gas one in and out. So I'm going to wash the detail wagon and see how it goes. So that's about what I expected, kind of runny, but I went, let's see, 2 to 8, so 2 ounces or 200 milliliters of soap to 800 milliliters of water. So I'm gonna spray this off, change the ratio, and see what happens. Of course, the 1.1 orifice I'm going to change out of here is going to be a lot better. It'll be more suited to the electric pressure washer, but for now it should be here tomorrow, but I'm just experimenting to see what happens for everyone's benefit. So let's add some more soap and see what happens. About that much water and about that much soap, about half and half, so we'll see. Oh, and the soap is it's Body Shop grade soap, so there's no waxes or anything in it, and we'll see how it happens. So yeah, more soap, still not a lot of foam. I think it'll make a big difference when I change out the orifice in the foam cannon to 1:1. So we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna spray this off, and as of right now, I'll fill in the rest of the video with the final results after I change out the thing in the foam cannon. After that gets here and I change it out, I'll film the rest of it and then post it up. All right. Alright, so I'm back. It's nice and sunny now. It's a few days later. I received the smaller orifice for my pressure washer foam cannon. Put it in there, and as you can see, my car is full of pollen right now. It's got pollen all over it, as does every car here in South Carolina right now. So we're gonna hook the pressure washer up, hook the foam cannon up, and I haven't changed the soap out, so we'll see. So that made a big difference. That made a huge difference. I like it. So, thumbs up. Awesome. $6. Time to rinse this off because it's sunny.